Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. So let's try it. And it says use cotton or something. And I always like to use this kind of little bottle. And it's not tonic water, it's toning water. So I usually do like this, and it's so fun. And this is another brand, and today I want to try to put this one, GoPure, into it and see how it works. Let me get this one out. I think I have some fancy, yes, I do have some fancy equipment. Where are my glasses? Not in a rush, right? Let me open it. Yes. Okay. Okay. So I will pour into this one. Uh-oh. I need to turn it around. Now you can see. This is asthma. Oh, it has some jelly in it, I think. So it will not be so running. Let's see. Oh, it's good. Oh my goodness. Wow, it's very good. Okay, so I will spray it. I am just so happy to use this spray. I like to use anything with a teeny tiny little bit of machinery. So that will fit my curiosity. So this is a kind of a toning water. It's fun. It's very fun. So let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes. Do not open up your eyes when you do it. It's a little sapic, and sapic. It's a little bit spicy here. So I didn't spray to my eyes, but still, when it is when I press my face, I open my eyes too early. So give it some time to absorb. So this is after. Do I look like perfect? How good is that? That's it. Bye bye. Just feel it's not drying up. So flatten it, make it a little bit thinner. Then we will. What is going on And then we will apply my usual makeup foundation. Let's give another 2 or 3 minutes. This is 1 minute. Now we give it another couple of minutes. And I think I can just pour it all into this little bottle. Kind of cool to do that. I like to do this. I particularly like to have this kind of little fun. Yeah. Put in my swimming bag. So every time when I finish swim, oh, it keeps the moisture in. Yeah. It's not drying up because it keeps the moisture in. And these I will put it aside. That's it. Okay, so this is about 5 minutes later. Now I will do my makeup. I think for makeup, it's best to have really thin layer of makeup to feel comfortable, to feel light. I do not use foundation too much. I use pressed powder. That's it. Shall we try this new thing? Let's give it a try. Yesterday we opened it up. Now we can give it a try and see how it goes. Oh my goodness, this is dark. This is pretty dark. And now this one is for covering up, and this is not glittering. It's kind of a blending, hiding, and get it into transition to the skin color. And here is glittering color. Very bright glittering. Now let's see how it looks. Oh yeah, my eyebrow, I can use this for eyebrow. So it solves all the problem in the world. You have a problem in the world, solve it. Do math. Math is about solving problem. And use combination products. This solve all the problem you can imagine. This is a cold color actually. It's in the blue green cold tone. I feel. See, it's quite a lot of pigment. It's quite pigmented. And that is it. So you have seen the before and now you are seeing this is too dark. After. One friend said I use a lot of lipsticks. Yes, it is true. I use a lot. This is the only thing I always have. When I do video, when I'm in the middle of class to pick up students on the corridor, I use a little bit of this. That I do use a lot. Yeah, this is becoming darker. Today's color seems a little bit too dark, don't you think so? I feel it's very dark. That's it. However it is. Bye bye friends. I love you. I really do. Do. Goodbye bye. And here is the before after I have used this. It makes all the difference. Don't you think so? However you think.